Like every routine, applying Latisse is all about consistency and precision. I ensure my face is clean, makeup and contact lenses are removed, and any other facial care products have already been applied. I remove an applicator from the tray and I hold it horizontally like so. Then I place 1 drop of Latisse on the area closest to the tip, but not directly on the tip. I draw the applicator along the skin of the eyelid margin where my eyelashes meet the skin. Then I use a tissue or a cotton pad to blot any excess solution beyond the eyelid. Once I'm done, I throw away the applicator, grab a new one, and I repeat the same process on my other eye. It's that simple.